G'day, thanks for watching, and I hope you're all well wherever you are in the world right now. And maybe you're looking at your bank balance thinking, I could buy the R today, or maybe I should continue to save for the R5 or the R6. Well, I'm going to give you 10 reasons why you should buy today. Coming up right after this. Okay, reason number one is the price. Hey, you're only going to spend $1,500 to $2,000 to get yourself the R with an adapter. Not $2.5 grand, not $4 grand. You can buy it today. There's no need to continue to save. Reason number two, it's basically a 5D Mark IV. The 5D Mark IV has been the leader of the enthusiast / pro photographer full frame body since the 5D3. And then the 5D2. It's a 5D4, and it's a mirrorless 5D4. Okay, reason number three is all the threes. You've got a 30.3 megapixel sensor. Why save up for the R6 for a 20 megapixel sensor? And what do you need 45 for? Come on. Reason number four, we're cranking through them. It's mirrorless and it's full frame. Sure, you've got the M range, the M50, the M60, the M100, the M3, all those M cameras, but the APS-C. This one, the R is full frame. The RP is full frame. If that's what you're after, full frame, get the RP. If you want something a little bit better, get the R. You don't need the R6 and the R5. Go and buy today. Get the R today. What are we up to now? 5. Reason number 5 is the firmware. When the R was first released, it was panned. Well, quite a few people panned it. They didn't like the R. But Canon soon got on board. They released new firmware. They're continuing to do so. The more they release firmware for the R5 and the R6, who's going to get the benefit of that? We are R. The R owners are. That's you from today. Get it today. Don't save, don't wait, get it today. Okay, we're up to number 6. Everyone who ragged it now loves it. Look on YouTube, go back to when the R was released, everyone was like, they were panning it. Like I said, they panned. Like I said before, people did not like it. Now where are they? What are they filming on? What are they talking about? Sure, they're talking about the R5 and the R6 now, but you don't have to. You can stick with the R. The R is a terrific camera. Everyone who panned it loves it. Everyone who rags it now loves it. We are really cranking on. We're up to number 7. These are the reasons you should buy the R today. Don't continue to save. The next one is overheating. Why buy something that you're going to get yourself into a situation where you can't use it? Come on, it's common sense. The R is an incredible camera in terms of getting everything you need for where your standpoint is. Admit it to yourself. All the photos you could possibly want, the best photos in there. The video, it's unbelievable. It's crisp, it's clear. If you know how to use the camera and set the settings, you'll get what you want out of it. And guess what? There's no overheating issues. There's no overheating issues. You can record on the R to your heart's content, and you can do so. You can do whatever you want. There's no overheating issues. There's no filming for 10 minutes and waiting for 50 and filming for 4 and then waiting for 30. It's just hit the record button and go until you're ready to stop. Now, that is apart from the 30-minute time limit on Canon cameras. What the hell is that about anyway? We are up to reason number 8. Canon are going to be releasing a host of lenses around the R5 and the R6, and you would have seen some of them already. There's going to be more to come. It shows that there's a lot of investment into the system, and that takes us on to reason number 9. The fact that they are developing the mirrorless full-frame series upwards around this new mount, the R mount, means the R, although it was the first iteration of the full-frame mirrorless camera, followed by the RP, which is the entry level, and the fact that they released it with a new mount, there's future thinking around it. It's not just an experiment. The R is part of the family. The R is part of the family. It's the front runner, the trailblazer. The R cut the path for the rest to follow. Come on, admit it. Admit it. The R is a great camera. That's why you should buy today and not continue to save. And number 10, this is the final reason. Let's have a drum roll. Oh, I think I've got a slower drum roll. The reason number 10 why you should buy the R today and not continue to save is because the R5 and the R6 are still not the pro body. And if you're one waiting for the pro body, which you're probably not, you probably want to be, but you're not. Like me, I want to be. I want to be. But what do I need the R5 for? Did I have a 1DX Mark III or something like that before the situation? No, I didn't. But the bottom line is the R5 and the R6 are still not the pro bodies. If you're waiting for the pro body, it's going to be the R1. It's going to be announced soon, I'm reckoning. Hey, so if you needed the motivation to empty your bank account today and not continue to save, then that's it. 10 reasons from me to you to help you buy today. Get in there, man. The R is a great camera. You're gonna love it. You won't regret it. I say just do it. Hey, listen, subscribe if you want to. We're coming at you from Wellington, New Zealand, so it's a different perspective. And as always, smash that like button, and we'll catch you on the next one.